All right, let's look at the homework 1.2, problem number 9. All right, so we have an equation of a circle here, and we want to determine if the given points are solution points. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first, let's look at the part A. All right, and I will do part A and part B, and they'll let you finish part C. All right, so we have a point 5 comma negative 7. So x is 5 and y is negative square root of 7. All right, let's plug them in. All right, so we have a right hand side, so we're going to start with the right hand side. All right, so right hand side meaning this guy x squared plus y squared, right? So if you plug in 5 for x, you get 5 squared. So we get that. And then we're going to put the negative square root of 7 for y. So you get negative square root of 7, then the whole thing squared, right? So if you compute that, you're going to get the 5 squared is 25, and negative square root of 7 times negative square root of 7 is positive 7. So we get the 25 plus 7, right? Which is, of course, 32. Right, 32 is exactly the same thing as the right hand side, right? So which means that, let's see, so this is equal to right hand side, right? Which means that this point right here satisfies this equation, right? Which means that it's a solution point. So answer is going to be yes, it's going to be a solution point. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the part A correctly. All right, so let's look at part B. All right, so we got new point 1/2 comma negative 3. All right, so let's look at the left hand side here. So again, we're going to plug in x equals 1/2. So you're going to get the 1/2 squared. All right, then the y is going to be negative 3. So you have a negative 3, the whole thing squared. All right, so if you do that, 1/2 squared is 1/4, and the negative 3 squared would be a positive 9. All right, so if you add them up, let's see, 9 is what, 36 over 4, plus 1 over 4 is 37 over 4. All right, but you can see that the 37 over 4 is not the same thing as 32, so it's not equal to the right hand side. All right, so which means that it's not a solution point. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so the answer for B is no, right? Because it didn't satisfy the equation. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the part B correctly. All right, part C is pretty much the same, so I'll let you guys finish that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.